If you are wondering if we have animated watch faces on Redmi Watch 6, then the answer is yes. You can of course press and hold your finger on the watch face in order to change it to a different one. And for example, this one over here, this is one of the default watch faces. This one is slightly animated. We can see that these lines are like highlighting, going in a circle. So there is an example. Of course, in addition to that, we can use custom watch faces. For example, in the Mi Fitness or Mi Fitness app, we can go through the online section of different watch faces, and I'm pretty sure you can find many additional watch faces that are animated to some degree. There we go, we have an animated watch face here. So let's try to install it, and we're gonna see if this is how the animation actually looks like, or whether it is, for example, much slower. But in theory, you should be able to find additional watch faces, including animated ones, with the help of the Mi Fitness app. And that is pretty much it. Alright, there we go, it has been updated, and I definitely noticed that the animation was there. There we go. As you can see, it works very easily. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.